To adjust date and time settings on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and then click on the General Management. After that, we'll be able to find the date and time options, and right here you can deactivate or activate automatic date and time. If you deactivate this, you'll be able to adjust your date and time manually with set date and set time. But keep in mind that changing this to manual options may cause some network synchronization issues, so I would recommend to keep it on. The same goes for automatic time zone. You can disable it to set it manually, but this causes some problems, so I would prefer to leave it on. After that, we have set time zone based on location. You can activate this, and that way it will try to determine your time zone based on your phone location. So if you're in Poland, then it will adjust that time zone to Polish time. And lastly, we have use 24 hours format. You can disable it to activate 12 hours clock and enable it to get 24 hours clock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.